32 more COVID-19 cases have been linked to the rapidly growing KTV cluster. Now, this brings the total cases to 120, making it the largest active cluster in Singapore currently. Sharing updates in a virtual press conference earlier, the Multi-Ministry Task Force said that the figure is expected to climb in the coming days. To break potential chains of transmission, the Health Ministry is aggressively ring-fencing potential new cases through the use of safe Entra data. MOH will be sending SMSs to individuals depending on which ring they fall into. An SMS that says health risk warning will be sent to those who have been identified to have visited KTV lounges at the same time as a confirmed case. These individuals will be required by law to get tested and self-isolate until they receive a negative test from their first PCR test. Another SMS that says health risk alert will be sent to those who have visited the locations where KTV lounges are located in. These individuals are not subject to actions required by the law. However, they should monitor their health and limit their interactions with others for 14 days.
The challenge of this cluster, unlike clusters in a mall or in, say, Bukit Merah, where we know who the tenants are, who live in which blocks, and we can mount a geographical testing exercise and test everybody within that geography. The problem with this cluster is that we don't have full information of who are the customers, where they have been to, and where they are now. It's hard to gather them together and to mount a special ops. But nevertheless, as you can see, the 4 rings, we are doing, MOH is doing whatever we can to aggressively trace and test them. Notwithstanding that, we should expect to see many more cases emerging in the coming days.